Today I will show you how to sharpen the blades of cylinder mowers, manual lawn mowers, using the method called backlapping. This reel mower is a Bosch AHM 38G. These types of machines, manual lawn mowers, also called cylinder mowers or reel mowers, are mowers that do not cut through rotation like those with suction, but cut through shearing, which is why the blades need to be sharpened just like scissors. Let's test it out, let's see if it cuts. It cuts here. It cuts here. And it doesn't cut here. Before starting the demonstration to show you how to sharpen the blades of this mower, if you haven't done it before or don't feel comfortable with tools in general, look for someone who has done it before or go to a center where you can sharpen these blades. Sharpening the blades of these mowers is done in reverse. The backlapping method means sharpening in reverse. These mowers from this Bosch series are sharpened by changing the speed gears between them, but there are also mowers that can be sharpened simply with a drill and a socket wrench without needing to disassemble as many parts as this model. Sharpening these mowers is done using a grinding paste. I will use this valve polishing paste. Now, practically, I will show you how I will remove the wheels, how I will change the speed gears, and then we will come back and I will explain physically how I will sharpen them. Now that I have changed the speed gears, I will take the paste and apply it with a brush. But keep in mind, never use a file to sharpen this type of mower because you will damage it. Don't sharpen more than twice if you don't succeed the first time because you will shorten the lifespan of this machine. Seek help from a specialist. I will take the brush, I will put it on the brush. It is very liquid. It is water-based, and being water-based it can be easily washed because you don't want to leave paste on the machine. And I will apply it nicely on this portion. And now that I have applied it, I will show you how to sharpen in reverse. First, we will put the handle back. And now let me explain. If we go like this, you see nothing happens. If we pull, here we will sharpen. So, we will turn the machine around, and if we push, we will sharpen. That's exactly how it should be done. In reverse. Now, after doing a few laps with the machine and together with the paste, we will clean. You can also wash. I will clean with a cloth and we will see if the blades have sharpened. Let's wipe the blades now. They are wiped and let's test. It cuts. It cuts. And it cuts. Now that I have sharpened this machine, I will be able to use it successfully this season. Therefore, please, if you like this video, press the like button, press the subscribe button, and until next time don't forget that grass grows in the field and turf in your yard. Greetings.